Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So children, we are going to start our third chapter of science, that is parts of a plant. Children, you have learnt in your previous class about parts of the plants, and in that you have learnt about flower, fruit, leaf, stem and root. And in this class, we learn more about plants. Children, plants are all around us. Some plants are big, some plants are small. There are two main parts of the plant. Parts which are above the ground are called shoot system, and parts which are below the ground are called root system. So, we are going to learn about the root system and the shoot system. So, we'll start the root system. Root holds the plant firmly to the ground. Plant take in water and nutrients from the soil through the roots. And these nutrients are most important for the plant's growth. So, the root system. Root system is also divided into two parts. First one is tap root and second one is fibrous root. So, we'll learn about tap root. Some plants have one main root at the base of their stem. This root is called tap root. Many small roots come out from this main root. And examples of tap root are mango, carrot, beetroot, sunflower, mustard, etc. Now, second one is fibrous root. Some plants have thin hairy roots at the base of their stem. It is called fibrous root. Some examples of fibrous root are grass, wheat, rice, onion, etc. Now children, we are going to learn about functions of the root. Functions of roots are: the roots fix the plant in the soil. They take in water and salt from the soil. Children, some plants have root that store extra food like beetroot, radish, carrot, etc. Now children, we are going to learn about the shoot system. As you know that the parts which are above the ground are called the shoot system, and the shoot system of a plant includes the stem, the leaf, the flower, the fruit and seeds. So firstly we are going to learn about the stem. So children, some plants have thick and woody stem. These are called trunk. And the examples are neem tree, banyan tree, mango tree, etc. Some plants have weak and soft stem like banana, rice, mint, coriander, etc. Now, we are going to learn about functions of the stem. It holds the plant upright. It gives support to the branches. It carries water to the leaves. Some plants stored extra food in the stem like sugarcane. Plants like potato and ginger grow below the ground and stored extra food in the stem. Now we'll learn about the leaf. Children, as you can see here, this is the structure of a leaf. And the most important part of the plant is leaf. And leaf, there are so many parts like leaf blade, petiole, stipules, midrib, vein, small knitted vein. The leaf is attached to the branch by the stalk. Now we are going to learn about functions of the leaf. First is leaf make food for the plant, and second is leaves store extra food for the plant. Children, do you know why the leaf of plant is called the food factory of the plant or the kitchen of the plant? Because leaves make the food for the plant. That's why we call it food factory of the plant or the kitchen of the plant. Now we are going to learn about the flower. Children, you can see here, this is rose, this is bougainvillea, this is sunflower. Children, the flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Do you know that most flowers grow into fruits? You can see here a flower grows into a fruit. You can see here, this is a flower, and after some day it will convert into fruit. You can see here also. Now we learn about fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have only one seed and some fruits have many seeds. Children, this is the most important part of the plant. As you can see here, a lychee has one seed and papaya has so many seeds. Most plants grow from seed. Children, do you know what is protected inside the seed? There is a baby plant. The seed gets enough air, water and warmth. The baby plant starts growing. It grows till it is a fully grown plant. So children, in this chapter we learnt about parts of the plant. Let us recall parts of the plant. There are two main parts of the plant, shoot system and root system. The root system is divided into two parts, that is taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, fibrous root. Functions of the root: roots that store food. The shoot system, the stem, functions of the stem: extra food stored in stem. Plants like potato and ginger grows below the ground and store extra food. The leaf, functions of the leaf: the flower. A flower grows into a fruit. Fruits and seeds. Now our chapter is over. I will see you in the next chapter. Till then, bye-bye.